Join me as I take on the challenge of converting a pop-up trailer into a fully functional food truck by the end of 2024. In recent years, the food truck industry has exploded in popularity, and it's easy to see why. Who wouldn't want to serve up delicious eats to hungry customers from the comfort of their own mobile kitchen? But getting started can be a daunting task, especially when it comes to finding the perfect vehicle. That's why I'm excited to share with you my journey of converting a humble pop-up trailer into a fully functional food truck. Starting a food truck business can be a thrilling venture, but it's not without its challenges. From obtaining the necessary permits and licenses to finding the perfect location, it can be overwhelming. Not to mention the initial investment, buying a food truck can be a huge expense. But what if I told you there was a way to bypass some of these obstacles? By converting a pop-up trailer into a food truck, you can save thousands of dollars and still end up with a unique and functional mobile kitchen. One of the biggest advantages of using a pop-up trailer is its versatility. These trailers are designed to be easily set up and taken down, making them perfect for festivals, events, and even everyday use. But with a few tweaks and modifications, they can be transformed into a fully functional food truck. Of course, it's not going to be easy. There will be plenty of blood, sweat, and tears along the way. But the end result will be worth it, a unique and functional food truck that's all your own. The thought of starting a food truck business from scratch can be intimidating, but by using a pop-up trailer as a starting point, you can take some of the pressure off. You'll still need to obtain the necessary permits and licenses, of course, but the initial investment will be much lower. And who knows, you might even discover a new passion for cooking and serving food to hungry customers. Moving on to the fun part, the conversion process. This is where things get really exciting. From design ideas to necessary permits and equipment, there's a lot to cover. First, we'll need to decide on a design concept. What kind of food will we be serving, and what kind of atmosphere do we want to create? Once we have a clear direction, we can start making some major changes to the trailer. This will include installing essential equipment like ovens, refrigerators, and prep counters, as well as adding some aesthetic touches like paint, decals, and lighting. One of the most important steps in the conversion process is obtaining the necessary permits and licenses. This will vary depending on your location, but it's essential to do your research and make sure you're meeting all the necessary requirements. You don't want to get caught off guard with a hefty fine or, worse, having your food truck shut down. Another crucial step is sourcing the right equipment. From cooking gear to point-of-sale systems, you'll need to make sure you have everything you need to run a successful food truck business. As we move forward with the conversion, we'll need to decide on the layout of the trailer. This will depend on the type of food we're serving, as well as the flow of customers. Do we want to create a closed-off kitchen area, or an open concept design that lets customers see the cooking action? These are just a few of the decisions we'll need to make as we bring the vision to life. The final step in the conversion process is adding the finishing touches. This is where we'll add some personality to the trailer, from paint colors to menu boards. We'll also need to make sure everything is fully functional, from the ovens to the credit card machines. It's a lot of work, but the end result will be well worth it, a fully functional food truck that's ready to hit the streets. The moment of truth has finally arrived. It's time to reveal the final transformation of the trailer. As I step inside the newly converted food truck, I'm blown away by the transformation. From the sleek exterior design to the fully functional kitchen, it's hard to believe this was once a humble pop-up trailer. We're not just talking about a facelift, we've taken this trailer from basic to brilliant, and I couldn't be more proud. As we fire up the ovens and prep for our first customers, I'm filled with a mix of excitement and nerves. Will people like the food? Will we be able to keep up with demand? These are just a few of the questions racing through my mind as we take our first orders. But as the day goes on, I'm thrilled to see a steady stream of happy customers enjoying our delicious eats. It's a huge relief, and a testament to all the hard work that's gone into this project. As we wrap up our first day of operation, I'm filled with a sense of pride and accomplishment. From trailer to food truck, it's been a wild ride. I hope you've enjoyed following along on this journey, and I'm excited to share more of my food truck adventures with you in the future. Thanks for joining me on this epic conversion journey. If you've got your own food truck ideas, leave them in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more food truck content, including recipes, tutorials, and behind-the-scenes peeks at life on the road. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, and I'll catch you in the next video.